wow, this was a crazy month. I can't believe I actually hit this, but I put in the work, and wow, here I am.
What up? I'm Devon Connors, and I'm the Financial Freedom Scientist. I have spent the last 2 years creating multiple streams of income online so I can earn more money in less time doing what I love, rather earning less money, giving up more time doing what I hate. I'm here to tell you the truth about creating an online income.
Grayson, you know what you're doing? What's up, everybody? Welcome to WealthyDelivery.com, and I'm Devon Connors, and I am your host. I don't know what you want to call myself. I'm just a financial freedom scientist. I just study different entrepreneurial strategies and study different entrepreneurs, implement what they're doing into my business, and I bring those strategies here to you, and hopefully you can do the same thing in your business. So I just want to share with you guys a quick monthly strategy that helped me escape my full-time job. I learned this from Trey Llewellyn, who is also one of the top e-commerce sellers in the game there is. So yeah, let's get into it. So pretty much I learned from him from the strategy called MTO. And the strategy behind this is when you set a goal, sometimes you set it too low and then you hit it, and you probably don't work as hard the rest of the month or the rest of the year or whatever you set it for. So that's your minimum. Then you have a target goal, which is like if you hit that, that's good. It was a good month. It was solid. I put in the work, and you're pretty satisfied with the month. Then you have an outrageous goal, which is kind of like, wow, this was a crazy month. I can't believe I actually hit this, but I put in the work, and wow, here I am. So that's what I do. And with the business for myself now, I really try to think 2 or 3 months ahead at least. And with it being October, I really wanted to, show you guys the strategy, because I really want to get prepared for 2020 the best I can. And hopefully you guys can do the same thing if you want to implement this. So let's get into this. So when I first did this a year ago, it was my minimum. My minimum was $3,000 a month. And that's about a little bit more than what I was making at my job. I knew if I can make that working for myself, I could quit my job, which I just quit my job 2 months ago. So what does that tell you? But I did this mostly through affiliate marketing. I'll put AFM. And then also selling these t-shirts here. My Wealthy Delivery t-shirts. My business is my brain in money form. Link in the bottom if you want to get one yourself. Also comes with a bunch of other bonuses. Shameless plug. Nonetheless, so t-shirts, which I can combine those two incomes. Now, both of those incomes are pretty passive because I'm not out. It's not like I'm out at a physical store selling these t-shirts, or I'm going door to door asking everybody they want to buy a t-shirt. Maybe I'll hop in somebody's DMs every once in a while, like, hey, you want a shirt? But they're both very passive. I run traffic to my funnel, and my funnel does the selling for me. So I have a free training also on how I use funnels to sell my t-shirts. Check it out if you're selling t-shirts, or you want to know how to sell t-shirts, or you're thinking about selling t-shirts of your own. A funnel is the best way to do it, I guarantee you. Also learned that from Trey Llewellyn. So that was my monthly goal. I was like, I need that to live. I need that to pay my bills. So if I hit that, I could definitely quit my job. But my target was $8,000 because I wanted to make as much as I did in a full day at my job. So I wanted to make $300 an hour, or working for myself, which would be, I work 12-hour shifts. So if I did that, I would get about a little under $300. It was about $20 an hour. So where you do the math on that, but nonetheless, I wanted to make $300 on my own in 1 hour. Because if I did that, that means I made myself more valuable. So now some people were like, all right, well, I could sell more shirts, or I could sell more, do more affiliate marketing. But I was just gonna let that take care of itself. And if I did make more than that 3,000 from doing that, great. But that freed me up to provide a service. So this is a little bit more hands-on income. If I wanted to make that income, I had to take a bigger leap. So I started doing consultations. I just put consults and service base. So I started a service that, I help people start, build their own funnels and sell their own t-shirts, and also help people create offers around their products. So, some people want to just sell one product, and, sometimes when you do that, you're literally competing with other similar products for the same price. But if you create offers around that product, you kind of give more value to what you have to offer. So that's why I don't, with my business, I don't just sell a t-shirt. I give a bunch of bonuses and stuff and free away to kind of help entice somebody, buying a shirt from me versus buying a shirt from somebody else. So that's the thing behind that. So that's what I do. Then my outrageous goal, I was like, I wanted to make as much in 1 month as I did in a whole year at my full-time job, which let's just say, let's lowball it. Let's say $35,000. I wanted to make $35,000 a month. Now, to be honest with you, I haven't figured out what's going to take me there yet. I'm still working on it. I'm cooking up a few things right now. I'm still going over the numbers and the planning process, so I'm not going to say, hey, I figured that guy out. But can't really see that. The lighting in here is not that great, so sorry. Actually, let me see if I turn off this light. Yeah, it's a little bit better, but let's see. Still trash. Alright, whatever. Nonetheless, so I'm working on that right now. If you guys have any ideas, if any of you out there are making $35,000 a month, I would love to hear some of your strategies in the comments below. But it's just a simple strategy I use to kind of calculate, to set my goals for the month and how much I want to make. That's it, man. If you really want to set your goals and try something different, try this strategy out. And there's plenty of different ways to make this happen. People think it's not real. It's not, 3,000, 8,000 is not really a crazy number. People do that in days. So, nonetheless, check out wealthydelivery.com if you want some strategies or how to create your own income. And that's that. So, I'll let you guys later. Peace.